Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add phone number to Microsoft account. So if you also want to add phone number to Microsoft account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I have opened Google Chrome. After you launch open any browser of your choice, all you have to do is click on the search bar, then type in microsoft.com. After that, you will be led to the official website of Microsoft. You can see over here, I've already opened the website for Microsoft. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now all you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, your profile will appear. You can see your name over here. You can also see your email. Right below it, you'll be able to see the option for My Microsoft account. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to this kind of page. If you look at left, you can see several options over here. At second, you'll be able to find the option for your info. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your information over here. Scroll down a bit. Over here, you'll be able to see your account info. Right next to it, you'll be able to see the option for edit account info. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see your email. You can also add email over here. If you want to add the phone number, all you have to do is click on the option add phone number. Now you can see over here, this kind of pop-up will appear. Make sure to choose the country code. Simply click on this box. Now you'll be able to see several countries over here. Click on the country code that you want to select. After that, what you have to do is click on this box. Now enter your phone number. After that, all you have to do is click on the next option that you can see right over here. After that, you might have to enter your password again. After that, your number will be added over here and it will be shown over here. But due to some reason, it is not being added in mine, but it will be added to yours. So that is how you add phone number to Microsoft account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.